With iOS 16.2, Apple introduced a karaoke-style mode for Apple Music called the Apple Music Sing. Apple Music Sing is an exciting new feature which allows users to sing along to their favorite songs with adjustable vocals and real-time lyrics. The animated real-time lyrics with vocals can be adjusted, allowing one to take the lead and sing over original artists. The lines are animated independently from the main vocals, making it easier for users to follow the song. Before we go over the steps, you need to update your iPhone or iPad to iOS 16.2 or iPadOS 16.2. Once the update has been installed, follow these steps to use Apple Music Sing. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap on search and you will see the Sing category, or you can simply search for Apple Music Sing and the app will show you two playlists with support for karaoke mode, that is Sing Along Essentials and Sing the Hits. Step 3. Play the song of your choice, open the Now Playing and tap the lyrics button at the bottom. Step 4. You will see the Sing button with a microphone and stars icon on the right side. Tap on that. Step 5. Now the Apple Music Sing is turned on and you can adjust the vocal volume. For that you need to touch and hold the Sing button and drag the slider up and down to increase or decrease the volume of the vocals. You can simply press the Sing button to turn off the feature as well. Do note that songs with no real-time lyrics will not support Apple Music Sing-along mode. Also, you need an iPhone 11 or a newer model. Apple Music Sing is supported on iPad 9, 10th, iPad mini 6, iPad Air 4, 5 and M1 and M2 iPad Pro models. You can also use Apple Music Sing on Apple TV 4K. So that's all from our side. Drop a like if you found this helpful and share it with others, and subscribe to the Gadgets Now YouTube channel for such content. And this is Milan signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.